everyone, this is my homework. The bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. The weather. Are you used to the weather here? Are you used to the weather here? Help. Let me help you. Let me help you. Wow. Terrific. You look terrific today. You look terrific today. And then speak, listen. Never care about how poorly or how well you speak. Only care about catching the chance to speak. Never care about what other people think. Only care about making progress. Enjoy losing faith. Enjoy being loved. Just forget about your faith. Just forget about your fear. The more you speak, the better you will become. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. You must enjoy making mistakes. You must speaking Polish. Speaking is the only thing that will lead you towards success. Don't never give up. Just try your best. Every time you move your mouth, your memory will deepen. Your muscle will strengthen. Your confidence will awaken. You will make it. You will do it. I totally believe in you. Thank you for watching.